Never all good, man. Never all good, man. You know what I'm saying, man? These niggas snakes. Can't be all, never that, man. Hey, it's 12:01, my man step out the door, I dap him off. About to touch the streets again after 10, talking about wall. Ready to regain this crown on the block, lock it down. Be the man with all the way from Pole Barrel to back of town. Got a team of head busters making moves, kicking in doors, flossing wide body whips, extra clips in the console. Took a trip, shot me some flicks, see out flossing the ATL. Major bail from drug sales like I'm shining, so what the hell? Moving swift from state to state, paying niggas to move his weight, ain't breaking bread with his click. But swear to God that sister straight if he only knew. Niggas was plotting to knock him off, scheming up on his riches, tapping his phone calls, anticipating the moment to bring him out in that water. Some money hungry niggas, intentions are shining hard. I swear to God I saw it coming, 4 shots dead to his chest. On that block he was born and raised, on that block he was laid to rest. He represented like a gangster, for that he lost his life, thinking shit was all good when it ain't in his street life. Ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. It ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Ain't never all good, don't think it is, like nah. Ain't never all good, ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Nah. Never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Ain't never all good, nah. Now check the second situation by the bitch they call Killer Red. Slim fatigue with some bold legs, twerking some fire head. She a dope man bitch, nigga get you crossed out in a minute. When I say Killer Red, dog, I mean it. This bitch here about a business, type of bitch besides a nigga up. See what he working, bust your fucking head open, dog. This bitch don't be joking. She was fucking with my nigga Mike. Mike dick was tender, got him in the bed, whooped him with the head, throwing the towel. He's no contender. Now he strung out, loving the bitch and don't wanna hustle. Everybody know deep inside Mike a head buster. I ain't sweating the issue. Plus Mikey is on man. I knew him since young. I promised my right hand. When I explained the situation, dog, Mike with the bugging out. Like it's all good with me and Red. What the fuck you talking about? I'm like, cool, do your thing, dog. Believe I ain't gonna knock it. I respect it to the fullest and check this dog, I'm out it. I don't know how it went, but 2 weeks later Mike was dead. Him and Red stressed in the bed with bullet wounds to the head. 2 weeks ago it was all good. That's what Mike said. But it can't be all good, cause Killer Red and Mike dead. Ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Ain't never all good, nah. Ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Ain't never all good, don't think it is, cause it ain't. Ain't never all good, nah. I ain't lost all trust and love don't live here anymore. Last time at night, I refused to open the door. Peeped out the window, what I saw was translucent. Niggas with game like glass, you see straight through it. But pussy niggas kill niggas too, I cocked the 10. Peeped out the window again, niggas damn near put me in. I banged back, fell to the floor, crawled across the room. I got behind the sofa, that's when I heard some shit like boom. Nigga kicked in the door like where he at?